All right, welcome to build day 3, and we are excited. We are gonna tackle the full Akrapovič exhaust install. We wanna button up everything under the car because we wanna get it on the ground so we can completely rip out this brand new interior that's in that beautiful car over there.
Yeah, and speaking of interiors, you can see we're sitting in the beautiful Sparco QRT seats. So in the next couple days, these will also find a home in our M2 competition build.
So we have a lot in store today, and we are gonna get rocking on this. We got the full Akrapovič exhaust bolted right up, piece of cake, sounds amazing.
Amazing.
And taking the factory one off at 77 pounds and this one only at 36, quite a bit of weight savings.
Yeah, I mean, Eric benches a scant 85 pounds, so to see him lift the Akrapovič muffler.
I bench more than that. But anyway, continuing with our OEM Plus theme, we had to pull the rear latches for the rear seat because we're deleting that seat anyway. So we had a perfect spot to mount our remote reservoirs for our Moton system. So as we started taking the interior apart and getting that ready, Mike installed the Race Chips throttle controller. We got to strap a GoPro to this guy's head,
I
man.
know, too fast.
We got a lot done.
We did. We
started off the day, full Akrapovič exhaust system, bolted on like it was nothing. We wanted to get in our fall line roll cage and our rear seat deletes.
Yeah, honestly, it was like watching a game of Snake back there with all 3 or 4 of you guys trying to wiggle your way around the back seat. I was very grateful to be behind the camera watching you guys.
But we got it in, and it fits really well. All right, so we have a busy day tomorrow on build day 4. We're gonna go get freshened up, stretched out, so we can be back here in the morning and do this all over again, just with some different parts.
Absolutely. Stay tuned.